Hello, good evening. One question related to differentiation and integration in kinematics. It is frequently asked. So, simple application of differentiation and integration. So, here is you should know at least one formula of differentiation and one formula of integration as ddx of x to the power n is equal to n times x to the power n minus 1, or ddt of t to the power n equal to n times t to the power n minus 1. Likewise, in integration t to the power n dt is equal to t to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, or integration x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So, the question is, a particle is moving with velocity v is equal to 3 plus 6t plus 9t square centimeter per second. It is asked to find the acceleration of the particle at t is equal to 3 seconds. A equal to question mark at t is equal to 3 seconds. We know from velocity time equation, acceleration A can be obtained by using the formula A equal to dv by dt. So ddt of, put the value of v here, 3 plus 6t plus 9t square. For constant 3, differentiation is 0. For 6t, take 6 outside. For t, differentiation is 1. For 9t square, take 9 outside. For t square, differentiation is 2t. So we are getting here 6 plus 18t. At t is equal to 3 seconds, A is equal to 6 plus 18 into 3. Put the value. So it is 6 plus 54. That is 60 centimeter per second square. Do not forget to write the unit. Answer. Now, second part is to find the displacement between any given time interval. The time interval here given as t is equal to 5 seconds to t is equal to 8 seconds. So we proceed like this. Again we write here v is equal to 3 plus 6t plus 9t square, the given equation. From Vt equation, velocity time equation, displacement, for displacement we have to integrate it. So we know that since v is equal to dx upon dt, you can also write v is equal to ds upon dt. So here, or dx is equal to v dt. Now integrating both sides, so integral dx is equal to integral v dt, and taking the limit at t is equal to 5 to t is equal to 8 seconds for dt, and for dx it is x5 to x8. This implies that integration of dx is x, so put the upper value first, x8 minus lower value x5. This is displacement between the given time interval, equal to integral 5 to 8. Put the value of v here, 3 plus 6t plus 9t square dt, or x8 minus x5. So for 3 dt integration is 3t plus for 6t dt integration is 6 into t square by 2, that is 3t square. For 9t square, 9 into t cube upon 3, again 3t cube, and limit is 5 to 8. Now put the value here, equal to, take 3 common, put the value 8 first in place of t. So 8 square 64 plus 8 cube 512 minus, again put the value of t equal to 5 with minus sign. 5 minus 5 square 25 minus 5 cube 125. Solving this, we get here 3 and here 4, 8, 5. 584 minus 125, 150, 155 equal to 3 into 9 and 2 and 4 equal to 7. 3 9 ja 27, 3 2 ja 6 plus 2 8, 3 4 ja 12. 1287 centimeter. This is the displacement between the time interval 5 to 8 second, 5 second to 8 second. So thank you very much, and using the same procedure you can solve other questions if you are facing. Thanks again.